Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device. Backup essentials and ensure battery is above 20% so updates and tests complete. Remove the case and any screen protector, because pressure or lifted edges alter sensitivity. Once done, restart the phone to clear temporary glitches, then go to Settings and open Accessibility or Touch Settings. You want to reach calibration and touch response options quickly. Make sure you can toggle gestures, pointer speed, and interaction controls before proceeding to the diagnostic steps. Once you're in touch settings, run a diagnostic test. Use the device test app or dialer code to map dead zones and note exact spots. Then adjust the touch sensitivity or responsiveness slider one notch at a time. You want fine control, not large jumps. Disable glove mode if on, and turn off any screen overlays from apps. Overlays can intercept input. Also make sure battery saver or performance modes are off, because they can throttle touch polling rates. Check and retest after each change. You finish by applying firm fixes. Install system and firmware updates that include touch controller patches, and if available, run the manufacturer calibration tool. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps, uninstall any recent screen, keyboard, or overlay apps and retest. As a last resort, back up and perform a factory reset to rule out software corruption. If sensitivity remains poor afterward, suspect hardware. Contact authorized service. One tip, note whether problems appear only when charging. It narrows the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.